Hello you guys, we're back at it again with another vlog. Look at that wonderful sky, isn't that so freaking dope? We're at brand new Fenton Park, or we will be, and we're gonna put this drone in the air and maybe check out some of the sky. Where's the airplane? Alright, hold on. I hear an airplane. I don't see it. I don't see it, Tiana. The airplane's up there somewhere. I can see it. I can hear it. My God, I can hear the airplane, Tiana. It's driving me crazy. Strong wind advisory. There's us. I hear the damn airplane somewhere. Whoa, look at this freaking... Wow, that looks dope. Dang. Wait, what? I hear the airplane somewhere. Dang, that looks dope, you guys. I'm actually kind of glad that it took forever to get here. Where are you playing, Tiana? Strong wind advisory, Tiana. Where is it? It's still hovering. It's moving a little bit. Oh, shut up. Ah, breaking it down, man, dang. We got a strong wind, lightning advisory. I swear to God, if you fly away this time, I'm sending you back to DJI. Look, I can see the lights. Whoa, right here, you see that? You see that? I'm used to being someone you love. Oh my God, I can't see it. No, you don't. I get you. Did you fall? He fell. Like, I can't even see it. It is so sketchy. Oh my God. What am I doing, Tiana? I should have brought the ring light, Tiana. I'm used to being someone you love.
Listen.
Right, you saw. I can't even see where I'm going. Tiana, what are you playing, Tiana?
Someone you love.
Yeah? Oh my God. Let's take it up one more time, because, yeah.
Dad, I hate you.
What? Bye-bye, light. You guys see it? What? Look, it's kind of moving. Why is it moving? Is it really moving on me? That looks so dope. It's kind of moving. It's moving. Why is it moving away from you?
Where is it? I can't see it.
I can see, it's moving away from me. Slowly. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Look at, there's flight altitude reached, this big green. Look, it's flying away. Why is it flying away? This is the most craziest thing I probably ever did. It's still up there. Look, it's flying away. Oh, shut up. Oh, look at that. What are you guys doing? Alright, now I might be a little worried. Raya, what? Yeah, hey, help your brother. I'm trying to shoot the video. What?
What?
What? Raya, go help with Raya, man. He's whining all over my video. Oh my God, this is so scary, Ariel.
Come on, let me just find it.
Look at it. Oh shoot, man. This is the most dangerous video I probably ever did. Why Am I flying? It's this little beacon of light.
Hi, drone.
Oh my god, this is so stupid. You can't go, don't go that far. Oh my god, I can't see it. There it is. I can see it blinking.
10,000 feet away from you.
Oh, shucks.
Hey! Get back here with my phone.
Ariel! You're not even over there. Oh yeah, I forgot I only have 77%. 1%. Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
What? The phone?
I only got 1% battery life.
No.
Go home.
When my dad forgets that he has 1%.
Yeah, I know.
Holy moly, pumpkin smoothie.
Where is it?
Over there.
Wait.
Hi, drone.
Oh shit, there it is. Oh my god, that was so stupid. Oh my god, that was so stupid. Watch out, Raya. Why didn't you tell me I had 1% of my battery? That was, like, my phone died. My phone died. Dude, is it even gonna record it? Oh my god. Dude, my phone just died.
Wait, hold up.
Dude, I don't think that's gonna record, you guys. Okay.
Holy moly, pumpkin. You bite me.
Stop yelling at me.
Me?
Tiana,
What?
I think I just messed up the whole video and I just really got here. Dang it.
Raya. Can I
Did you stop throwing stuff at me? Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully, I could get this video up. Yeah.
Ariel, bet you
My phone died. I forgot my charger. So,
Ariel, bet you can get me.
hey, you guys,
Huh.
when I'm talking, feel free to not talk. I'm just saying. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's video. I'm so dumb. I forgot my charger. And now, I don't even know if this video is going to record. But thanks for watching, you guys. We love you guys. Peace over happiness. If you guys watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. For we do daily videos and I'm running out of video ideas. So please let me know in the comment section where I say at. Peace over happiness. Deuces. Right, come on, let's go. Ready? Okay. I just need you now. Hey, come on, you guys. Leave him alone.